miles in 1 hour, 11 minutes and 52 seconds. Winner of the Redbridge Chesterfield Half Marathon. Richard. Richard.
Well done, Rick.
Richard Sutton, winner of the Redbridge Chesterfield Half